there's a game that was played. And let me tell all of us what's going to happen. Remember what happened in Nasser and Olang. Also remember what happened in Wat. There are three gentlemen that have played critical roles. One gentleman is a spokesperson of the SSPDF. This gentleman called Comrade, his own brother was the one who spoke in Akobo, abused Dinka, abused the Anuak, and abused the Murle. The other role that was played by Ezekiel Lurgat, and the other role was also played by Dinai Shagor Jok, who is also a minister. Now, the two who are the sons of Akobo, who claim to be
Now, hold on. Question. Play role two at who? To as supporting government or supporting IO? Paranyak. Go ahead.
coming to that. Now, these two, what they played is this. One, they don't want, and this not wanting nowhere to fight is another way of trying to make the SSPDF to come into Akobo, and then they will attack them all together inside Akobo. And this is what they're going to do. They're going to use the Nuer that are within the SSPDF to tell the location of how many are they, how many guns they're carrying, what time are they coming, and what location they're occupying in Akobo. The idea is this. They allow the SSPDF to come. This current commissioner that was before nominated, but the Nuer refused, they talk to him that you go with a few guys and go to SSPDF and tell them that you are welcome. We are supporting the SSPDF. We are not supporting IO. The Nuer went to the UN and complained that they need to be protected, that the SSPDF is coming to kill Nuer. Who did not listen to that? When they went back to Akobo town, the commissioner, he said, SPLMIO Viva, Isper Young Machar Viva, women, children, and everybody was saying Viva, who have not seen that video. Now, you related to this game, in 2 days, there was nobody in Akobo. That's a big game. To allow these guys to come in peacefully and to send one Nuer claiming to be supporting the SSPDF, and then they will come back to Akobo town. This is what's going to happen very briefly. They'll allow them to settle. All of them will take the positions. And as of yesterday, they're making meeting in Tiergol. Guns in Tiergol. They've had a meeting in Tiergol, and they are planning how they will come and get these guys together. They're going to come up to around 10,000, not just number. Because if you look at the comments of the people saying that they have gone to Akobo, they were saying that, why are you allowing Jiang to occupy the Nuer land? Look at all the comments. This thing is a game. It's a very big game. And I want to say this, that if people are thinking that you just went there and you have taken Akobo without any gun, SSPDF must be formed. Anybody should call them and tell them, don't sleep in that place just like that. What happened in Pajut and what happened in Wat? Again, for SSPDF to be massacred. I want to say this, and I have my reason why I'm saying that. The guy they brought as a commissioner is a puppet. Is being used by those of Lulroy against the government. Whoever is in the government, these guys is a joke. They can tell that they are part of the government, but I'm telling you the connection they are having.
Dr. Okello, you still have 6 minutes. You don't have to conclude. So elaborate.
The connection they are having with their brothers on the ground is the same connection that they did in Wat and when the SSPDF were killed. It does not come from blue. These people are sabotaging the meeting that is being done by the SSPDF. They will be part of it as Nuer. They'll be part of it as members of the government, but when they go back, they are Nuer and they will talk to their brothers. As far as the Anuak is concerned, and I want to put this as part of it, the Anuak have had meetings, and they know that the Anuak are going to Akobo together with SSPDF. It will be a very difficult war for them. They are aware that the Anuak are given gun, and the Anuak are part of SSPDF, and they are entering Akobo. By the way, those who went to Akobo the day before yesterday were just not everybody. The soldiers are in Walgak, the soldiers are in Wat, they're in Pajut, in all these areas. They have not entered. And there are many other soldiers that are going to go from Juba. As of yesterday, they will leave either today or tomorrow. And all of them are going to create a new base in Akobo. Now, the good news is the SSPDF must have a good number. Akobo must be made a base. They have to put all the guns there, and they have to have a better plan. Logistics, food, medicine, everything. Now, when that is done, including the annual that are going to be there, I tell you, until next year, anybody who want to come to Akobo must come without gun. If they come with a gun, they are either shot or they are captured. If they come without gun, they are allowed to come back. But if they come with gun, they must not be allowed. And the border should be controlled. If that is done around all these areas, there's nobody that's going to make noise. And then we are going to have a demobilization and disarmament. And then we'll have a peaceful area within the northern Jungle Estate and by extension, the greater Jungle Estate as a whole. In conclusion, these guys are having a meeting, and I want to repeat this. They're having a meeting. Well,